What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to convert any video that you have on your laptop to an MP4. This method I found it out myself. All you have to do is go to a shortcut or any editor and just, start the editing program. Okay, and just drag a video file, any video. So I'm gonna choose a song that I most likely loved. It's called Dancing. So all I have to do is right click, add audio track. You'll know why right now. Drag it and overwrite it here. It might take a while, and there you go. See how this works. I found it out, so amazing. There you go. Oh, wait. Oh, because there's an audio file, so I have to edit this one. Yes, split. And this thing, get rid of it. Get rid of it for good. And it will start right now. See, it works. I am the first YouTuber who can find this to convert it, then export it. So it's so goddamn easy. Where's the export? Then export it and wait until it finishes. You see? Yes. Save it. This timer will show. This timer will show until it finishes. So I'm gonna wait until it finishes. See you guys later. So it's second and it finishes. So there you go. See? Let's check it out then. It was on D and test 2. Come on. Come on. Yo! First YouTuber to find this converting an audio, but there is of course a black screen, so you can fix this anyway. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. I'll check on my last video, it will be linked in the description. See you guys later.